Today we want to quickly show you some common AI fake human avatar video software. Those can be used for marketing, e-learning, YouTube, and more. Whenever you need cost-effective presentation videos at scale, every AI tool has special features. Let's start with Elai. We made this video with Elai, so you have seen what results can look like. Find the links to this and other websites in the caption below on YouTube. You start from blank spaces or from presentation slides. Also, you can directly load blog articles or e-commerce products by URL for video production. Those two are unique features of Elai compared to the competitors in the same category. After you've picked a template, you just edit scene by scene as you would edit presentation slides. You can directly add free stock footage and GIFs right from the interface. Let's talk about money to give you an indication of how affordable such AI tools are. After a free trial, you can start with only $29 per month. It's for 15 minutes. We think Elai is one of the best AI video tools. The blog-to-video feature is in this category of software outstanding, and the Zapier integration is as well. The second AI tool is Synthesia. The video editor is, as in all those software, almost the same. It is said that Synthesia is having the best avatars of all such software. Here is a short example of a really nice Synthesia AI avatar in action. The Synthesia pricing starts at €26 or $30 per month, but it's for only 10 minutes. It's a nice tool. The backgrounds seem to be always blurry, but the avatars are outstanding, especially the ones for Christmas. The third AI tool is Our One. It has nice synthetic human presenters, but the gestures are sometimes a bit out of sync with the content. The unique special feature of Our One is 3D newsrooms. The Our One pricing starts at $24 per month. You get 10 minutes for that. If you want the 3D newsroom and some premium features, it's getting pricey. We think it is okay. It does the job well and the 3D newsrooms are unique. Fourth, Colossyan. This tool has nice avatars. One special feature, and maybe unique to Colossyan, is that you can have multiple avatars having conversations. This is how it looks like when multiple fake human presenters have a conversation. With the pricing, they start at $30 per month for 10 minutes. You can definitely work with Colossyan. Good tool. We didn't test the conversation function. This can be the basement for some additional business models and use cases. Our fifth pick is Movio. This tool has very interesting features too. One is that you can upload pictures of faces and swap them with avatars. Another one is CGI avatars. You can find a speaking pumpkin and this funny guy. Despite the usual plan of $30 per month for 10 minutes, you can get a free subscription. 1 free minute per month. Pretty cool. When it comes up to avatars, Movio is a strong player. Not only because of the CGI characters, but many avatars seem to be more physically attractive than average ones. Now we start with the not-so-sophisticated solutions. Number 6, Yepic Studio, sounds nice on the marketing text. Best lip sync and talking photos. We can't show the lip sync, but the face movements on the avatar and the picture seem a bit inhuman and fast for normal spoken text, as you can see. The pricing is starting at around $25. You get 20 minutes for this. That's cheap. You get what you pay for. But let's not joke around. Wait some months and Yepic might come up with some strong improvements. Now to number 7, Synthesys. This solution has a flat rate, but it seems to be in a beta version. We see nice arm movements, but we also see alien-like eyes, and the transparency around the head is a bit strange, almost as if their green screen had some issues. If you can operate with this, you can get a lot of it for only $31. Maybe we should follow up in a few months. To be clear, that's the only flat rate in this category of AI tools. If you need this, scale up and go. The eighth and last pick is Deep Word. To be honest, pretty similar to the last one, but without the nice movements. Here is a doctor's avatar. We like that there are outfits for certain professions, but from the mimic and movement, we're scared. It's cheap at $15 for 14 minutes and you can get a free account to check if they have made progress. We're bloody honest with you. This feels like the alpha phase. Go fund them with a subscription. We wanted to assess a number 9, but it has left the internet before we came. Maybe better? As you see, we're using Elai for our videos. This is our recommendation for you, too. It's a nice all-around tool and very important. You get landscape, square, and portrait videos. Colossyan can do this, also. The others have it on their roadmaps, we guess. Thank you for watching. We're happy you enjoy our content. Please drop a like and follow the Yepic AI Tools channel for more inspiration and interesting stuff.